Yo, what up? Another segment here in RB's Garage, and I'm gonna let you in on a little invention I just made. If you steal it from me, you're gonna be all kind of fucked up. Don't steal it from me, because I'm putting this on the internet now, and then I don't know. You could probably I could probably document it, and that you can't steal it from me at this point. So don't steal it from me, fuckers. Basically, how this thing works, it's like a Roomba, but it's a sander. So I've got it rigged up. I'm not going to tell my proprietary ingredients, and we're gonna turn the fucker on. Like, I don't want to sit there. I don't want to sit there and sand all day, you know. So I want to let my little guy do his shit. You know, I want to sit and sit around and smoke cigarettes, drink beer and shit, instead of holding that fucker. So, this is my invention. I'm working on it. Well, there he goes. You better turn. There he goes. Nice. While I'm over here drinking beer, my Roomba sander is doing work. Put in work, son. You're doing good today. He's had a long day. I don't give a fuck. He's a robot. I like beer. Peace.